Imagine something so dense that a single teaspoon of it weighs 1 billion tons. Now imagine it spins hundreds of times per second and shoots death rays across the galaxy. This isn't science fiction. This is a neutron star. And today we're diving into the most extreme ones ever discovered. These bizarre objects are the remnants of massive stars that died in spectacular supernova explosions. They're like cosmic laboratories pushing the boundaries of physics as we know it. And trust me, when it comes to neutron stars, the word extreme doesn't even begin to cover it. So buckle up, space fans, because we're about to embark on a journey to the most mind-boggling objects in the cosmos. Let's talk about density for a second. A neutron star packs the mass of our sun into a sphere just 20 kilometers across. That's like stuffing Mount Everest into a sugar cube. The gravity is so intense that it literally crushes atoms, merging electrons and protons into neutrons. This neutron-rich material is so dense that a single teaspoonful would weigh 1 billion tons. This extreme state of matter warps space and time, creating powerful gravitational fields. And this, my friends, is just the beginning of our journey into the heart of these extreme objects. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to meet the ultimate cosmic ballerina, PSR J1748-2446 AD. This neutron star spins 716 times per second. That's faster than a kitchen blender. These objects are held together by the strongest force in the universe, gravity. Scientists call these rapid spinners millisecond pulsars. As they spin, they emit beams of radiation from their poles that sweep across the cosmos like cosmic lighthouses. The rotation of PSR J1748-2446 AD is so rapid that it flattens the neutron star into an oblate shape. Some scientists believe that there might be neutron stars out there spinning even faster, up to 1,000 times per second. If you thought spinning neutron stars were wild, buckle up because we're about to enter the realm of magnetars, neutron stars with magnetic fields so strong they'll make your brain hurt. These are magnetic fields 1 quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. If you placed a magnetar at the distance of the moon, it would wipe your credit cards clean right here on Earth. These ultra-powerful magnetic fields can trigger starquakes on the surface of the neutron star, releasing bursts of energy that make supernovae look like firecrackers. One magnetar, SGR 1806-20, released a flare in 2004 that was so powerful it briefly affected Earth's ionosphere, from 50,000 light-years away. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly how magnetars generate these mind-boggling magnetic fields. Whatever the cause, magnetars are a stark reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and some of them are downright terrifying. Now, some neutron stars aren't content with just spinning insanely fast or blasting out deadly magnetic flares. They're also cosmic cannibals, feasting on their stellar companions. Imagine a binary star system where one star has gone supernova, leaving behind a neutron star. Its companion star is still alive and kicking, but it's made the unfortunate mistake of orbiting too close to the neutron star's insatiable appetite. These are what we call cannibal pulsars, or more politely, recycled pulsars. This stolen material spirals around the neutron star, forming what's known as an accretion disk. As the material falls closer and closer to the neutron star, it heats up to millions of degrees, releasing powerful X-rays that we can detect here on Earth. These recycled pulsars are like cosmic zombies, feeding on stellar flesh to stay alive and keep spinning at mind-boggling speeds. We've explored the densest, fastest spinning and most magnetic objects in the universe. But now we come to the most mind-bending question of all. Could some neutron stars be on the verge of becoming black holes? There's a limit to how much mass you can cram into a neutron star before it collapses under its own gravity. This limit, known as the Tolman-Oppenheimer-Volkoff limit, is still a bit of a mystery. The heaviest neutron star we've found so far is a beast called J0740 plus 6,620, weighing in at a hefty 2.14 solar masses. One good push, one extra puff of stellar wind from a companion star, and boom, it could collapse into a black hole right before our very eyes. Some scientists believe that there might be quiet black holes lurking out there. Black holes that formed from the collapse of neutron stars, but haven't yet started feeding on surrounding material. If you thought black holes were the only space monsters worth knowing, think again. Neutron stars are silent killers, cosmic clocks, and maybe the key to understanding everything. These extreme objects are pushing the boundaries of physics as we know it, challenging our understanding of density, gravity, and the very nature of reality. From their mind-boggling spin rates to their magnetic fields that could rip you apart atom by atom, neutron stars are a testament to the sheer power and strangeness of the universe. They're a reminder that we've only just scratched the surface of what's out there, and that the cosmos is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Smash that like button if your brain just melted, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing space content.